Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do the sad face on TikTok. To get started, you want to go ahead and log into your TikTok application. You cannot get the sad face filter here on TikTok, but I'm going to show you a simple trick on how to get the sad face on TikTok. What you need to first of all do is to download and install Snapchat on that very device. Alright, so I already have my Snapchat downloaded and installed on this very device. Okay, so what you need to do is to first of all go to Snapchat, record the sad face, then come to your TikTok and then upload it. Okay, all right, so let's head over to our Snapchat. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to get this effect in a bit, so make sure you watch till the very end. All right, so once you get here, you have to wait for a while. All right, everything is coming up right now. Alright, so this is the effect right here. Once you get here, you want to go ahead and click and hold to snap. As you can see, this is already showing a sad face. You want to go ahead and click on send, and then you want to scroll and click on download. So it is exporting snap. Okay, so once you're done, you want to go back to your TikTok like so. And then you want to click on the upload button, and then as you can see, this is the last one I did. Of course, you can see the other ones. Just go ahead and click on it. You want to go ahead and click on next and then post your sad face on your TikTok. I'm going to show you how to get the filter right now. I'll be leaving a link in the description. All right, so you want to go ahead and click the link and join me on the site. Okay, all right, so this is the site. All right, so this is the site. Once you get here, you have to do this first. All right, you must do this in order to get this effect. You see these three dots at the top right corner here. You want to go ahead and click, and then you want to go ahead and activate desktop site and wait for it to load. You want to go ahead and scroll down until you see this box right here. You want to go ahead and click on it and wait for it to load. And then you want to scroll down. You want to scroll down until you can see this very icon here. All right, so if you're visiting this site on your desktop, what you need to do is to use the camera in your Snapchat to scan this very code. But if you're visiting this site on your mobile device, what you need to do is to simply click on this button right here. All right, it has been activated, and then you want to go ahead and click here. All right, and just follow the steps I showed you. Okay, and you are good. Guys, this is how to do the sad face on TikTok. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.